First thing we do after the pool has been opened is leaf rake the pool. Simple tool to use is this leaf rake right here. Big mesh collection area, and the best way to scoop is using this edge on the bottom of the pool and run it along the bottom of the pool till you scoop up the large debris. Again, the single most important thing when you first open your pool is to get the large debris out, and this is the product to use. Very simply, put it in the water like this, run it along the bottom, get to the debris and scoop it up, and it ends up literally in the actual basket here. Now you see, maintaining a NEJAME & Sons pool is very simple. Follow these instructions. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Area code 203-743-4663.